With the exclusive data capturing capabilities of drones, the world is using its easy transportability, in commercial, as well as public safety domains. Drones can be used to incorporate a Geographical Information System (GIS) that can produce a single visual output, combining multiple layers of data into a meaningful output. Keeping in view the importance of GIS, VIDIZMO offers Geo-Spatial Data Analysis in its Digital Evidence Management (DEM) system. VIDIZMO achieves this functionality, and allows you to upload the time data file with video evidence, or by uploading video evidence, having key length value (KLV) data embedded in it. Key length value (KLV) is a highly efficient standard for data encoding, used to embed information in videos. In its most fundamental form, the KLV data element is the combination of three units, including key, length, and value. Key identifies the data recorded from drone's sensors, length specifies the data length, and value is the data. From the portal homepage, navigate to the evidence having geospatial data, and click on the evidence to view it. In the time data pane, available on the right-hand side of the player, you can view the GPS tracking of the target, and tracking devices on a single screen. VIDIZMO uses Google Maps to help you analyze geospatial data. You can view data in map and satellite view. Clicking on Map View will toggle the 2D street view that is the default map type, whereas clicking on the satellite view will display the real-world pictures of the map. Clicking on the square icon will toggle between full screen and normal screen views of the map, and checking the sensor location from the Select Layers tab will display the trajectory of the drone. Checking the frame center location will display the trajectory of the target with an embedded sensor. Under the map, you will be able to see the export option. You can export the KLV data associated with the video evidence at a particular timestamp in CSV format. By the way, these fields are displaying the time data at each latitude and longitude. Once the metadata has been exported, navigate to the download folder of your system and open the exported file. It will have all tracking information that was included as time data within the video evidence. To explore what value VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management System could create for you with its powerful geospatial mapping feature, visit our website www.vidizmo.com.